Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can increase your laptop sound volume by using a software. Here you need to search for Letasoft Sound Booster, and here you can see this is official website letasoft.com. Click here and you can download this software. Just click here and here you can see this software has no special requirements, just you can use it on any laptop. And even it supports Windows Vista as well as XP and other older variant of Windows. And here you can see its size is almost 7 MB. So let's wait. So guys, here you can see software is downloaded. Now the next step is we need to install this software. Click here and after that run the setup. Then click yes. After that you can install it in 3 different languages. So now I want to select it in English language. Now click the button next and accept terms and conditions. Then click on next button. Then select the directory where you want to install this software. Then click on next button and again click on the next button. And if you want to create a desktop shortcut, you can keep it. Then again click on the button, then install.